Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2016 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: cargo tray. Come take a test drive today.